Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all had a happy Halloween. Today is November the 2nd. I apologize, it's been a little while since I've uploaded a video. YouTube says it's been 16 days since I've uploaded, and that's quite a long time to go without uploading a video, so I'm sorry about that. But today I have a new video for you guys. This video is about the LTD. The issue is the gas tank. I smell gas fumes, raw gas fumes, coming from the rear end of the LTD every time I walk by it. And I am aware that it has a leak on it because every time we filled it up or we topped it off, gasoline would leak from the gas tank. So I was aware of that issue. It's been like that for a long time. We've been needing to do something about it, but for some reason it hasn't been fixed. But today it's gotten so much worse, and I'm running out of gas very quickly. It's all evaporating and the gas tank is getting empty, and then I can't drive it anywhere. We'd have to fill it up with one of our gas cans to drive it to the nearest gas station. So this is becoming a really big issue, and we need to see how to get that gas tank off of there, and then we need to order a new one. So let's hop on the wheel horse and drive to the LTD. In case anyone's wondering, the wheel horse is running just fine. Haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. In fact, I don't think I've had to touch the engine in over 6 months. It's run perfectly fine. You may be hearing some weird sounds out here. They're cutting trees and stuff somewhere along the road. We're at the LTD. Let me show you where it's leaking. So the gas tank is right here. This is the gas tank. And as you can see, there is oil substance right there. That's where the gasoline is leaking. I can't tell exactly where it's leaking, but if I had to guess, it's probably right in that area right there. And I'm thinking maybe I'll just order a whole new gas tank, replace all those parts. That was not gas, that was water. I think we should just order a new gas tank, replace all the parts on here. Maybe get a new gas cap. And a new gas tank costs around $130 to $210, which is about what I expected. So I'll probably go ahead and order a gas tank after this video. Now we need to figure out how to remove it. Let me get the keys and pop the trunk, see if we can find out anything in there. Now I know that on some of these older cars they have two different keys, one for the ignition and one for the trunk. I don't know if this one's that way, and it is that way. So there is where the filler neck is, and the gas tank is right under here where the spare tire sits. Might want to replace the spare tire because I'm sure this is probably the original tire in this car. That would make it let's see, 44-year-old tire. Here comes that machine I was talking about. You see, it has that blade right there. It makes a sound when it spins really fast. Before I get off topic too much, I better stay focused on the gas tank. So anyway, and I see two bolts right there. One right there, and one right there. I believe that is probably what's holding the gas tank in place, but I'm not completely sure. Alright, so unfortunately this tank does not have a drain plug on it to drain your fuel. I did figure out how to remove the tank. You see these straps right here? They go under the tank and they go up it, and those straps are held in place by these bolts right here. So that's good news. I figured out how to remove the tank. Next question, how to remove the filler neck. It looks like you just remove these 4 bolts right here. So the filler neck goes in right here. It's very easy to see. I don't know if that just sits in there, but it looks like if you take out those 4 bolts that I just showed you over here, then this will just come on out. And if that's the case, this looks like it'll be a very easy job to do. Alright, so you see right there, it looks like those hoses just easily come on off right there. So that shouldn't be hard at all. You see that one's held in place by a hose clamp. So this will be really easy to take off of here, I think. Way easier than any modern car, for sure. Hope you guys are looking forward to the gas tank replacement on the LTD. I know this is just me talking in this video. I'm sure it's probably kind of boring for you guys to watch if you even made it this far. But if you guys enjoyed it, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss this next video that's about to come out, and the wheel horse restoration project videos if you're interested in that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.